guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. Today we are going to see another of America's most favorite side dish, and that is Brussels sprouts. Whenever I go to a restaurant, I make sure that Brussels sprouts is on the table because I enjoy eating it. I love the crunch, I love the texture, I love the taste of it. It is a no-brainer dish to me. Brussels sprouts is a no-brainer, guys. What say? So the funny thing is, yesterday I told my husband, I am just going for a long drive, and just, can you believe where I drove, guys? Where my long drive ended? It ended in Lake Tahoe. It was an abrupt decision to go there, and I so badly wanted to connect with nature that I decided that let me just get in the car and drive to Lake Tahoe. And I will put in some shots. Lake Tahoe has some spectacular scenic views, and I could not stop capturing it in my camera. Because I was driving, you might not see me in the clips, but next time I go to Lake Tahoe, I will make sure I get amazing shots of the scenes and also me, okay? For now, let's just see my drive and how beautiful it was. So, I mean, summer is just ending here. We're enjoying the cool weather, the rains. It's not that hot this year. Last year it was way hotter, and we were waiting. In fact, I was looking forward for winters last year, but this year the summer was amazing. Like, it wasn't that hot. And also I was traveling, so by the time I got back, summer was done. Almost done. Brussels sprout. We'll first chop off these slight edges. Don't overcut it. The end portion here is what you'll be chopping off. So be very careful. Don't over chop it, guys. Like that. There you go. Just like that. And then cut these into half, like this, like that, like this. There you go, guys. All the Brussels sprouts are chopped into half. To the boiling water, we'll add some salt. To the hot water, we'll add the Brussels sprouts, guys. Let the Brussels sprouts cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, get it off the heat and strain it. Strain the Brussels sprouts like this. Now we'll make the masala mix for the Brussels sprouts. For that, you require some olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, about half a teaspoon white pepper powder, a tad bit salt. In the baking tray, place the Brussels sprouts face down. Arrange it on the baking tray like this. Now preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and slip in these beautifully coated Brussels sprouts into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. I just got these beauties out of the oven now. So I'll let it rest for 5 minutes and then I'll show how crunchy and yummy these are, okay? Our crunchy roasted Brussels sprouts are ready, guys. And I'm going to taste one for you guys. There you go. Try it and enjoy. I'm so looking forward to this 40-day challenge where I'll be cooking a dish every single day and posting it on my channel. I would love to talk to you guys live. So do join me live. I will be posting about it with the exact time. Please make a note of it. And I'm actually very excited to talk to you guys. It's going to be fun. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.